Hi, Scott Stripling, Day 6, Shiloh Season 7. I'm here in our headquarters area. This is where it all takes place. Behind me is the final step of our processing called wet sifting. Here we wash the matrix that has already been dry sifted in the squares. We check it one last time, and because of that we find things like this that was just found this morning by Allison Taylor, a beautiful truncated conical carnelian bead. That's the type of stuff we're throwing away if we're not doing wet sifting. Last week we found a bula in this area, which is like a seal impression. So super interesting. Our volunteers here are trained by Frankie Snyder. She supervises the work that they're doing. Just fantastic work that's going on here. Next to this is our filtration system. We do flotation on soil so that we're able to get the seeds at the bottom, what we call a heavy fraction, to go to the top. And it goes through 5 layers of screens, increasingly small, so that we can capture things like fish bones that would normally fall through. Again, beads would normally fall through. So every precaution is taken to make sure that we don't miss evidence of what happened in ancient times here at Shiloh. Abigail is counting and pre-sorting pottery that we're going to analyze at about 8 o'clock. Behind her is Dr. Haskell Greenfield, who's analyzing bones. He's our zoo archaeologist. So every animal bone will get analyzed. We'll know the species, the bone, it's from which side of the animal. So all of this together gives us a full picture of what their diet was and what life was like in biblical times. So that's a little bit about what happens here at headquarters, and we'll check in with you again tomorrow.